That constant exhaustion no amount of coffee fixes. The dizziness when you stand too fast. Anemia affects 1.6 billion people worldwide, but most don't realize they're running on empty. What's draining your body's energy supply? Can you prevent this blood crisis? And how do you truly rebuild what's missing? Let's uncover the lifeblood of this condition. First, what causes anemia? Anemia isn't just low blood, it's oxygen starvation at the cellular level. Here's where things go wrong. Iron deficiency anemia is by far the most common. It comes from blood loss. Think heavy periods or slow hidden bleeding in your gut. Sometimes your body just can't absorb iron well, like with celiac disease or other gut issues. And pregnancy? Your body demands almost 50% more blood. B12 and folate deficiency anemia often strikes vegans and vegetarians, since animal products are the main source. Some people can't absorb B12 at all, a condition called pernicious anemia. Alcoholism can also wipe out your folate stores. Other types come from chronic diseases like kidney failure or cancer, and some are genetic like sickle cell or thalassemia. So, how can you prevent anemia before it takes over? It all starts with your plate. For iron, you want both heme and non-heme sources. Red meat and liver, your body absorbs about 30%. Spinach and lentils, not as much unless you pair them with vitamin C, so toss in some bell peppers or citrus. Don't skip B12 and folate. Eggs, fish and dairy are great for B12. If you're vegan, reach for fortified foods. Dark leafy greens pump up your folate. For better absorption, skip coffee or tea with meals. They block iron. And get any gut issues checked because problems like celiac disease or H. pylori can really mess with absorption. Heads up ladies, women need twice as much iron as men, 18 milligrams versus 8 daily. So what if you already have anemia? Rebuilding your blood takes more than a simple pill. With iron supplements, timing matters. Take them on an empty stomach with orange juice for max absorption. But be patient, it can take 3 to 6 months to fully recover. For severe cases, your doctor might recommend IV iron. B12 can be replaced with high-dose pills or monthly injections if your body can't absorb it. And don't forget your diet. Organ meats are nature's multivitamin, and even cooking in cast iron pans can help. But always get to the root cause. If anemia is severe or unexplained, your doctor may send you for a colonoscopy, endoscopy, or even bone marrow tests. Ferritin, the iron storage protein, is key to tracking your progress. Here's the good news. Anemia doesn't have to be your normal. With proper treatment, most people feel energized again in just a few months. If you're always tired or notice pale skin and nails, get tested. Your cells are literally gasping for oxygen. Subscribe for more nutritional medicine. Which anemia symptom surprised you most? Check out the free symptom checklist in the description. And remember, your energy is worth fighting for.